Our latest cleaning innovations. Introducing KEL by McKLords. Kickstart your cleaning with our coffee machine cleaner, ensuring a perfect brew every time. Effortlessly remove lime scale with our descaler for appliances. Ideal for kettles and irons. Defrost quickly with our safe and effective freezer de-icer. Our hob cleaner tackles tough stains on ceramic and induction hobs. Cut through grease with ease using grease away for a sparkling kitchen. Get your oven, grill, and barbecue party ready with our specialized cleaner. Unclog drains swiftly with our powerful formula, kitchen drain and plug unblocker. Protect and polish natural stone worktops with our dedicated cleaner. Keep bathroom drains clear with our effective solution, drain and plug unblocker. Ensure a hygienic toilet with our powerful toilet cleaner gel. Banish mold and mildew effortlessly with our mold spray. For a spotless bathroom, use our bathroom cleaner. Remove lime scale without scrubbing with our easy-to-use foam spray. Revitalize your grout lines with our grout cleaner. Brighten UPVC surfaces with our UPVC cleaner, perfect for windows and doors. Achieve streak-free shine on glass and mirrors with this cleaner. Care for your leather items with our gentle and effective 4-in-1 leather cleaner. Clear soot and grime from stovey glass with our specialized cleaner. Remove stickers and adhesives easily with our sticker remover. Restore the sparkle of your jewelry with our jewelry cleaning bath, complete with a brush. Tackle mattress stains with our OxyClean, just spray and leave. Sanitize surfaces with our rubbing alcohol. Thank you for exploring our newest cleaning solutions. For more details or to get in touch with our team, please check the comments section below.